Hi, everyone. I'm Patricia Eslava-Vesey, and I'm the owner of Integrity Coaching and Training Systems. And I'm from the Seattle, Washington area, and I am thrilled and excited and honored to be a presenter this year at the International NLP Conference in London, May the 15th through the 17th. I'm going to be talking about a new system that I created called HypnoKinesthetics. I've just written and published a book on it, and I've been teaching workshops on it for the last over a year with really great responses. So what is HypnoKinesthetics? It's a combination of hypnosis, NLP, coaching, and movement that helps you bring about the changes that you want. So it can improve confidence, it can help you eliminate procrastination, it can help you heal from the past, embrace the present, and look forward to the future with skills and inner resources. And it's been life-changing, not only for me, but for many of the people who have attended my workshops. I'm very excited to be teaching this workshop on Sunday, the 17th at 11:30. So I hope you will join me. What we're going to do in the workshop is I'm going to explain the background, the history, and the science that supports hypnokinesthetics. I'm going to take you through several techniques so that you can fully experience what it feels like to do one of the techniques. And then we'll have some time for you to walk someone else through it so that you'll be able to leave my workshop with the confidence and the skill to be able to lead someone else through it. So once again, this is Patricia Eslava-Vesey, and I'm thrilled to be presenting this year. And I hope you do choose to join me. Thanks so much for listening.